this an example of in the center?
This is super easy. This is a mug cake. You can do this any day, anytime, any place. So we've used an egg white, and this is a nice lean protein. We use a birch xylitol. Again, not corn-based, birch.
Birch xylitol.
Hardwood-based, absolutely.
Want me to stir this up?
Yeah, we're going after the cacao again. Make it raw for sure. We're gonna use the cacao powder and just like a little pinch of sea salt. You literally pop this in the microwave for 60 seconds and you have a mug cake, a chocolate cake.
I'm getting my cacao all over the cacao. You want vanilla?
You can add vanilla, you can add peppermint. Some people...
Peppermint,
cardamom,
salt,
pumpkin spice.
Shoulder for luck.
There you go. Throw it in the microwave. And when you're eating this, you want to think about what it's doing for your hormones. This helps lower stress hormones. This helps burn belly fat. You want to turn towards food. There is so much power on your plate. You can enhance your metabolism. You can enhance your love life. You can enhance every aspect of things.
And if you learn the methods and the techniques and you do the math and the chart, you really can lose up to 14 pounds in 14 days.
Absolutely.
Wow. It's a big change, yeah.